Hi, you are with Javed and today we are going to talk about intersect function in Power BI. Intersect function is commonly used to retrieve the common rows between two tables. So without wasting time, let's get started. If you take a look at the face of this function, it has two parameters, table A and table B. So basically, we need to provide two tables in intersect function, and then intersect function sees the common rows between two tables and provide us a table as an output with the common rows. Now let me give you one example. As you can see on my screen, we have two tables here, table A and table B. If I use these two tables in my intersect function will see only the common rows between table A and table B. The common rows are highlighted by light green color, and as an output we will get the intersect table wherein we will have the common rows, that is sales territory key 4, 5 and 6. Now let's jump into the Power BI wherein we will actually see how intersect function works. Now I am in my PBI file wherein I have created a small data model with table A, table B and dim country. Dim country is basically the dimension table which is linked with table A and table B. Now let's go back to the data view and create a new table because intersect function returns a table as an output. So let's call it intersect example 1, and now I am going to use my intersect function. As we know that we need to provide two tables in intersect function, so I am going to give the reference of table A and table B, and now I am going to close the bracket. Now if I press enter, the same result which I showed you on my PPT we are having here. So now we have understood the basic concept of intersect. Let me give you one example, by that you will easily understand in what scenario we can use intersect function. Let's go to the sales table. In this table you can see we have one column customer key and we have another column year. Now what I am planning to do, I want to calculate the number of customers who have made the purchase in the year 2007 as well as in 2008. How can I do that? Okay, let me go to my report page and create a matrix so that I can make you understand what I am thinking. And let me take customer key in the rows as well as in the values with the distinct count. Let me take year in the column. Now we know that each customer key represent a customer. Now if I talk about the customer key 10, 11, 12 and 16, we can see that these are the customer who have made the purchase in 2007 as well as in 2008. Now I want to count the number of customers who have made the purchase in both the year. How can I do that? Now let's create a new measure and I will show you how we can achieve this kind of result with the help of intersect function. Now give it some name, call it intersect example 2. Now first of all, what we need to do, we need to create two tables, one for the 2007 and second for the 2008. So let me declare a variable first and call it customer list 2007. I am going to use my calculate table function and then I am going to use my values function. I will give the reference of my sales table customer key, and then I want to apply filter on year. Year must be 2007. Now what we did, we have created one table and assigned into the a variable customer is 2007. Let me create a copy of the same variable and let's change its year only 2008, and now we have two table. Okay, and now I can use my return statement because I want to use my variable So if I use my intersect function now, and let me put the table name customer list 2007 and customer list 2008, but if I run this, I will not get the correct result. The reason behind it, intersect function returns a table as an output, and I want to calculate the number of customer. How can I do that? So if I wrap this intersect function within the count rows, then count rows function can count the number of rows, basically common rows. So now if I just run this code and press enter and create a card, so you can see we are having the result, that is 2732. So these are the customer who have made the purchase in both the year 2007 as well as in 2008. Now let's validate this number. In order to validate this number, what I did, I have copied this data into an Excel file. Let me show you my Excel file. This is my Excel file wherein we have the number of customer who have made the purchase in 2007 as well as in 8. So if I just come to this column D, wherein I have applied a simple if condition, I'm checking the customer who has made the purchase in 2007 as well as in 8. So if I come here and apply filter on true, you can see the number of customer are 1732, the same result which we are having here in the PBI. Well, that's all about the intersect function. A quick reminder of my Power BI DEX course. So if you are a beginner and want to learn how to write DEX code professionally, want to understand the core concept and how DEX engine work and treat the functions, then I will highly recommend you to join my online classes which I conduct on Saturday and Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.